Hello dear students, welcome to Axiomaticos. This video is the part of the solution series for CSIR NET December 2019 and we are here with this problem 15 of your paper. It's a problem of general aptitude, so let us have a look. A move of a coin is defined as crossing any number of points in a straight line on a 4x4 grid horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. What is the least number of moves in which a coin starting from the indicated position can cover all the 9 points within the marked square? Alright. So what is your aim? Your aim is to move your coin in such a way that you will cover all the 9 points in this square. Now you cannot move your coin randomly, you have to move it in a straight line on the 4x4 grid, and these are the only way, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Alright, so these are the only ways that are given to you. Are you getting my point? Now see this thing that it is given to you that you have to find least number of moves. Now in your option you have 4, 5, 6, 7 in your hand. Alright. Now least, in the least, among the least you have 4 as your least. Alright. So let us say if you have a sequence of move by which you can cover all the 9 points, and that sequence of move, number of moves in that sequence is greater than 4, then actually I can say that you are not sure with that. Are you getting my point? You cannot say that this is the least number of moves. So what we have to do in this problem, we have to target this 4. Alright, so you have to target this 4 and try to find out a sequence which consists of 4 number of moves, and also you will satisfy what is given in the question. Alright, so now let us draw a 4x4 grid. So let us say this is your 4x4 grid, and what we are doing here over here, we have to cover all the 9 dots in this square. You have to move from this position. So what is the strategy? Strategy is very simple. You come down like this. Now in this way you have filled this one also, and you have filled this one. Now what I will do, I will go diagonally up. So if you will go diagonally up, you will fill this, this, and this. Alright. Now I will go horizontally over here. So this, this, and this are filled. So now I will go diagonally down. So how many lines I have used? I have used 1 line, 2, 3, and 4. So this is how we can solve this problem. So we got a sequence of move, and in this sequence number of move is equal to 4. Are you getting my point? So it's not that easy what I am telling you. Right, in your exam if you are doing and you don't know how to proceed, you have to try many ways. All right, and by trying many ways you will end up with this, that this will be your required move. Maybe there is other way, I don't know, but I can figure out with this that I have number of move is equal to 4. Also I have filled all the position in this square. Got it? So this is why your first option is correct and all other remaining options are incorrect. Got it? So thank you.